Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. You're probably wondering why I have an exercise bike here next to me. Well, it's because it's absolutely amazing. It's a new addition to my home and I thought I would show you this in addition to a great workout recovery shake that's plant-based, it's high in protein, and I'm also going to give you some other options that are high protein options that you can put into your smoothie so you can customize it to your own taste, to whatever you have in the fridge, freezer and pantry, and it's going to be delicious and it's going to give you energy and it's going to help you recover from a workout. So this is actually the Yesoul bike. It's a great exercise bike. It's lightweight but really sturdy and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to share it with you. And I actually have a link down below so you can check out all of the technical specs that go with the screen that comes with it. And you can also check out anything else you need to know about this amazing bike. But let me tell you, this is fantastic. It's so easy to use. It's easy to move around the house. It has some wheels on the base. You can adjust the settings on this to make it harder or easier. And it's been a game changer for me, especially in Australia. We have had so much rain on the Gold Coast in the last few months and it just comes out of nowhere. So you could go for a walk or you could go for a regular bike ride, but then it will start pouring within minutes. So this has been amazing. I can just jump on this anytime I feel like doing a bit of exercise. I can do the cleaning around the house, I can make some recipes, and in between I can jump on here for 5, 10, 20 minutes, whatever I have time for, and it's great. The screen also hooks up with my phone. There's an app that you can install so you can have all your statistics on hand, how fast you're going, how far you've traveled, how long you've been on the bike, how many calories you're burning. You can challenge yourself against other people or just keep it to yourself and challenge yourself. What I actually love to do with this is just hook it up to my phone and I'll watch YouTube videos, I'll watch cooking shows, I'll watch motivational videos, or I will just put my Spotify on here and I'll listen to some music, and that motivates me as well. It's just so easy to use and I like to keep it very simple and just cast my phone to the screen on here. It's really easy to do and then I'm off and running. So with all that said, if you're interested in this bike, check out the link below. It's absolutely amazing, and if you use the code PLANTS, you're going to get a special saving of $100 off this bike today. It's so fabulous. I love it, and I'm looking forward to jumping on here again very shortly. But first, let's get into this recovery drink, which I'm going to have after I do my workout. So this is plant-based, as I said, and it's rich in protein. And what I'm going to start with is a banana. And if you have frozen banana, it's even better because it's going to make the drink nice and cold, but mine is not frozen today. I've also got half a cup of blueberries going in. You could use any berries that you have, or even cherries would taste absolutely delicious in this. Then next, for my protein, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are also amazing for calcium, and if you don't have any hemp seeds on hand, then you could use other things. You could use edamame beans if you have some frozen edamame in the freezer. Make sure it's the shelled variety. Or you could use some green peas from the freezer as well. Maybe boil them up, let them cool in the fridge, and then you can just have them on hand to put into smoothies to add that extra protein boost. You could also add some canned beans. So things like chickpeas and cannellini beans, white beans, they're very neutral and they actually taste really good in smoothies and they add protein. So keep those types of things in mind. If you don't have protein powder on hand or you don't like using protein powders, then there's some whole food options that you can use in your smoothie. So that's going in. And I've successfully poured it everywhere, all over the bench, but that's okay. Okay, so next up I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter. Again, this is going to add some creaminess, and it's also going to add a little bit of extra protein. If you wanted to, you could add some greens to this, some spinach or some kale would add some extra nutrients and vitamins, but today I'm just keeping it very simple, and I'm going to add some soy milk. So again, soybeans are loaded with protein, and the soy milk also has protein in it. And then all that's left to do is give this a blend up. Oh, how amazing does this smoothie look? Delicious purple goodness. Those blueberries are amazing. Add lots of antioxidants to this. That smells good. Oh, that's so creamy and tasty and delicious. So I'm going to jump on my bike now, and then I'll be having my recovery drink after that. And I hope that this inspires you to go and exercise and have a delicious recovery drink for yourself. It's just so yummy, and we really need to get our bodies moving. So enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye!